Who Made My Lunch? From Milk to Cheese by Bridget Heos. Cheddar cheese is tangy and delicious. In fact, it's the most popular cheese in the world. But what if you had to make it yourself? And also raise the cows that produce the milk? Roll up your sleeves. You now work at a farmstead dairy. At many dairy farms, milk is sent away to cheese factories. But here, the cheese is produced right on the farm. It takes 10 pounds of milk to make 1 pound of cheese. So to make a lot of cheese, you need hundreds or even thousands of dairy cows. All the cows need to be fed twice a day. Pour the feed mix into the troughs and let the cows out to graze on grass in the pasture. The cows are busy being milked, so you'll need to feed the calves. Want a vacation after all that work? Cows never take a day off, so you'll need a cow sitter. The cows will come inside when they are ready to be milked. A machine does the job. First, it cleans the cow's udders. Then, it suctions milk from them. The milk is stored in a refrigerated tank. Different cheeses use different ingredients. The steps also vary slightly from cheese to cheese. Mozzarella, for instance, has to be stretched and pulled under warm water. But we are making cheddar. So let's get to work. Time to make the cheese. The milk travels through underground tubes from the farm to the cheese-making factory. The first step is to kill any bad bacteria by pasteurizing or heating the milk. Now add good bacteria cultures. These will turn the milk into cheese and give it flavor. Then add a powder called rennet to help thicken the milk. Stir all the ingredients together. Look, the milk is getting thicker. Use wire to cut through it. The solid pieces are called curds. The liquid that remains is whey. Drain the whey. Next, shovel the curds together to form large hunks. Slice, stack, and restack the hunks, allowing more of the whey to drain. The hunks still contain too much moisture. Throw the hunks into the mill, which will chop them up. Add salt. At this point, the cheese curds could be eaten as a yummy snack. Ahem! But we still have work to do. Press the curds into metal forms. The cheese press will squeeze out even more whey. The forms will give the cheeses their shapes. Finally, wrap the rounds of cheese in plastic or wax. Store them in boxes in a refrigerated room until they're ready to be sold. Thanks to the dairy farmers and the cheese makers, you now have delicious cheddar cheese. Yes, please!